good morning. It is 28th of April today. It is still feeling very cold. We used to open our gardens for the public in July, but because of coronavirus, we couldn't open it last year. We used to raise some money for the local charity in Stockport called Wellspring. It helps the poor and needy people. And most of the money used to be raised by the sale of various plants, and most of them used to be my magic plants like these. These are small apples with big fruit. They have 2, 3, 4 varieties on each. They have flowers, and although they are very small, they are fruiting as well. Because of Corona, we couldn't open it last year, so the sale of such magic plants couldn't go ahead. If anybody is interested in these kind of plants, you can drop a line on my YouTube channel. Its link will be under the video in the description, or you can call me on Messenger and leave a message. I have various plants. These are small sizes. I have medium sizes, and I have the plants in a much bigger size as well. Although they are in containers, but they are flowering and they have fruit on them. These plants are smaller in size, but they have flowers which will turn into fruit. And you can see them, although they are smaller in size, but they look very, very beautiful. I have some medium-sized plants as well, which have various varieties of fruit on them. Now they are blooming, and those flowers will turn into fruit. I have some bigger plants as well. Although they are in containers, but they will definitely give fruit this year, and if they are planted in any garden, they will be full of fruit next year as well, and they have lots of different varieties on each tree. Some plants are ready in small sizes, in medium size, and also in bigger size as well, with lots of different varieties. Some of them, although they are in containers, but they are fruiting, and you can see the fruit. Like that is a pear tree. And you can see the fruit. And they have 3, 4, 5, 6 different varieties on each tree. These type of fruit trees you won't be able to buy from any garden center. They are very special, and these are my magic trees. Now most of the trees, even bigger trees planted in my garden, they are blooming. I also had some flowers on my apricot, which was grafted couple of years back on a plum tree, and it was the first year it started blooming, but it looks like the frost might have damaged all the fruit. So if you want to have these kind of magic trees in your garden, you can come, choose, take it home, plant it in your garden, and enjoy the fruit of it. And money raised from the sale of plants, it goes to Wellspring charity in Stockport, which helps the needy and the poor people. We have a limited number of plants. So if you are interested, make sure you can buy it in time before we run out of them. You have to come personally to pick and choose. We don't deal with the mail orders. If you like my work, share it with your friends and relatives. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of the universe. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that, you can subscribe to my channel and have easy access to me. Thank you.